Hi everyone, I'm Brock. So today let's keep reviewing AI company. So here is a list of unicorn startup companies, and they are ranked by valuation. The second one is SpaceX. Based on the data on September 2025, the valuation is around $435 billion. And here is a report. And one interesting finding is I'm trying to use cloud research mode, but I find that when I enable the research mode, cloud doesn't digest my prompt requirements very well. So as you can see, the report generated is fully in English, but what I request is to generate a report with Chinese, with both English and Chinese. So my personal assumption is that for research mode, at this moment it can only process some simple requirements. Like my situation, because I have a lot of requirements, 10, 20 requirements for this report. It seems that it cannot process it very well. That's just some hands-on experience. Okay, let's start it. SpaceX, full name is Space Exploration Technology Corporation. It's a private American aerospace manufacturer and a space transportation company founded by Elon Musk in 2022. In 22, how to pronounce it? 22 or 2002? Well, SpaceX is not a traditional AI product company. The company extensively applied artificial intelligence technology across its aerospace operations, forming three core AI application domains: autonomous landing systems, Starlink autonomous collision avoidance system, and mission control, AI and data analysis systems. Okay, this is some basic information. The headquarters is located in Starbase, Texas. Employees around 13,000. Valuation is around late 2024. The valuation is around $350 billion. Company mission. SpaceX was founded under the belief that a future where humanity is exploring the stars is fundamentally more exciting than one where we are not. The company's ultimate goal is to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. Okay, this is a company structure. The diagram above shows the relationship between SpaceX's four major business segments: launch services, Starlink, Starship, and Starshield, and its application layer. AI technology runs through all business lines, providing support for autonomous operations and intelligent decision-making. Core AI products and systems. Unlike NVIDIA or OpenAI, SpaceX is not a company that sells AI products. SpaceX is an aerospace company where AI serves as a key enabling technology for achieving its space exploration goals. Therefore, this report analyzes SpaceX AI applications across three core domains. Track 1. Rocket Autonomous Control Systems. Product 1. Falcon 9 Autonomous Landing System. The Falcon 9 Autonomous Landing System is SpaceX's most ironic AI application. This system enables the rocket's first stage to autonomously return to Earth after launch, landing vertically on a designated platform, landing pad, or drone ship at sea. Technology features: convex optimization, computer vision, sensor fusion. Product 2. Starship Autonomous Control System. Starship is SpaceX's next-generation fully reusable launch vehicle and development, standing approximately 400 feet tall, the largest launch vehicle in human history. Its AI systems handles autonomous orbiter adjustment, heat shield diagnostics, belly flop, landing maneuver, chopstick catch of super heavy booster. Product 3. Crew Dragon Autonomous Docking System. Crew Dragon is equipped with advanced AI system enabling full autonomous docking with the International Space Station (ISS). The system uses AI-guided navigation and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, imaging technology to complete precise docking without astronaut intervention. Track 2. Starlink Satellite Network Intelligence. Product 1. Autonomous Collision Avoidance System. Starlink satellites are equipped with a fully autonomous collision avoidance system, a critical technology necessary for managing over 7,600 satellites in orbit. Nearly 50,000 collision avoidance maneuver in 2024 fourth quarter. Each satellite fails thrusters 14 times on average per 6 months. Collision probability threshold set at 1 in 1 million. Satellite position updated every 30 minutes. Product 2. Beam Steering AI System. Starlink satellites use AI system for beam steering, dynamically adjusting signal direction to optimize user connection quality while managing spectrum resource allocation. Product 3. Network Traffic Optimization System. This system uses machine learning algorithms to predict user demand, optimize ground station handoffs, and deliver no latency and high-speed internet service. Track 3. Mission Control and Data Analytics. Product 1. Flight Data Analysis AI. SpaceX uses AI-powered data analysis systems to process massive amounts of data generated by each mission. Engineers can spot anomalies, address issues, and make informed decisions in real time. Product 2. Predictive Maintenance System. AI algorithms are used to predict impending malfunctions or failures, enabling SpaceX to take preventive measures to avoid mission setbacks. Product 3, launch automation system. Falcon 9 essentially monitors itself from a minute before launch and manages its own flight termination system. SpaceX Launch Control Center requires relatively few personnel due to its high level of automation. That's cool. Core functionality. So you see here, it uses English, right? And also in the diagram, it should also use both Chinese and English. So let me update my comments here. Requirements. Ensure you provide both English description and Chinese description when you draw mermaid diagrams, right? That's something it should remember to do. So this is a Falcon 9 autonomous landing detailed function. Functions, trajectory planning. Use convex optimization algorithm, G-fold, guidance for fuel optimal large divers to compute fuel optimal trajectories, considering remaining fuel, current, velocity, altitude, wind speed, and the target position with milliseconds level real-time computation. Point 2, attitude control. Fast vector control, TVC, with engine gimbal adjustments up to around 7 degrees. Great finds for aerodynamic control and cold gas. Thrusters for fine attitude adjustments. I have no idea what he's talking about. The third point, hover slab suicide burn. Since Merlin engines cannot operate below 30% thrust, the rocket cannot hover. AI must precisely calculate ignition timing so the rocket's velocity reaches zero at the moment of touchdown with minimum error tolerance. Okay, Starlink collision avoidance detailed functions. Yeah, this diagram is great. It's divided into 3 layers. The first layer is execution layer, second one is data input, and the last one is kind of like AI processing. Okay, that's fine. The fourth point, Dragon autonomous docking functions. The Dragon spacecraft's AI docking system achieves fully autonomous docking with the ISS, with core functions including relative navigation, approach control, docking execution. Business mode. SpaceX employs a vertically integrated business model, independently computing the entire chain from rocket design and manufacturing to launch and satellite operations, significantly reducing costs and improving iteration speed. Track 2, subscription SaaS model. Track 3, internet value creation. Mission control and data analysis AI system do not generate external revenue directly, but create internal value. This is investment logic and valuation model. Yeah, I don't have money for investment, so I don't interested in the details too much at this moment. But this section is important, so I still keep it in the report. Core technologies: 4 layer, application layer, algorithm layer, infrastructure layer, and hardware layer. E-technology: convex. How to pronounce it?
Convex.
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 Convex. Convex optimization algorithm is a special class of mathematical optimization problems where the object function is a convex, and the feasible region defined by constraints is a convex set. The key property is that any local optimal is also a global optimal. Applications at SpaceX: guidance for few optimal large diverts. What's diverts?
Divert.
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 Divert. Sensor fusion technology. Sensor fusion is a technology of combining data from multiple sensors to obtain information that is more accurate, complete, and reliable than any single sensor alone. The third point: Krypton. How to pronounce it?
Krypton.
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 Krypton. Krypton. Iron? What's this?
Ion.
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 Ion. Krypton. Ion. Propulsion system. Starlink satellites use krypton ion thrusters, an innovative choice by SpaceX. Traditional communication satellites typically use xenon, but krypton is less expensive and more abundant. It's fully out of my knowledge.
Xenon.
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 Xenon. Point 4. Real-time operating system architecture. SpaceX flight software runs on a customer real-time operating system, RTS, ensuring deterministic response times. Acknowledge mode analysis. Okay, that's okay. So many modes. That's why the valuation is so high, even if before it's go to IPO. SpaceX overall development timeline. There are so many first time. You see that? Yeah, I remember it's around 1 year ago or more than 1 year ago. And this video is very impressive in the industry. Founder and CEO Elon Musk, born in 1971. So when he founded SpaceX, he's only 31 years old. That's insane, huh? So his first startup is built in 1995 when he was 24 years old. Musk has a complex relationship with AI. He co-founded OpenAI, later departed, founded xAI to develop Grok, while also publicly expressing concerns about AI risks. At SpaceX, Musk pushes AI as an enabling technology rather than a standalone product, serving the ultimate vision of Mars colonization. Okay, financial and investment information. This will be helpful for investors. Well, again, I'm not pretty. I don't relate this at this moment. Let's continue. Some competitive analysis. Track 1. Rocket autonomous landing competitors. Blue Origin. New Shepard. New Glenn. Oh, why the name is so hard? Competitor 2. Rocket Lab. Electron. Neutron. Product 3. Oh, interesting. Track 2. Starlink competitors. Amazon Cooper. compared to OneWeb, compared to 3. Ah, interesting. So you see, SpaceX as a private company, its competitors are nation-level organizations. It's hard to imagine, huh? Track 3, Mission Control AI competitors, NASA JPL AI system. Compared to 2, ESA AI system. Compared to 3, commercial AI startup like Spell Global, Planet Labs, Leo Labs. Summary. Let's see. Interesting. The diagram, the mermaid diagram is not rendered successfully. Insights. Insights 1. SpaceX demonstrates a unique AI application model. AI is not the product for sale, but an enabling technology for achieving a target vision. This contrasts sharply with NVIDIA, AI hardware products, and OpenAI, AI service products. SpaceX AI value manifests in cost reduction, rocket reuse, reliability improvement, autonomous operation reduce human error, scale explanation, managing 7,600 plus satellites, and achieving the impossible, precise landing. Insights 2. Vertical integration enables SpaceX to iterate rapidly, design improvements immediately reflect in manufacturing and operations, control costs, eliminate intermediate profits, close the data loop, full chain data collection supports AI optimization. Insights 3. You see here, it didn't provide English translation. Technical insights. So here again, it doesn't provide English translation. So cloud sometimes, try to
Loaf on the job.
Yeah, cloud sometimes try to loaf on the job. Business insights. Insights for myself. Yeah, again, it's all written in Chinese, so I just skip it. Lessons and warnings. Yep. Interesting. Almost all SpaceX positions are subject to ITA, International Traffic in Arms Regulation restriction, requiring applicants to be U.S. citizens, lawful permanent resident, green card holders, or protected individuals, meaning refugees, and asylum holders. Okay, so no. You see, for people who born in China, the time period for green card is at least 5 years. Last part. Well. Let's look at some other positions it's recommend. Let me see. Microsoft Azure. And customer engineer. Entry, middle. United States. Customer engineer. Solution engineer. Where's the location? Multiple locations. Let me check out the requirement first. Okay, no sponsorship. Well, I understand this, but maybe still try it. Last part, China-US space AI comparison. Again, the comparison is also written in Chinese. Still have still have a big distance. Oh, again, the diagram is not loaded successfully here. Impact to Chinese professionals. Well, I guess that I should still check out some position which is may provide sponsorship, huh? Okay, again, this position is not eligible. No. I guess same. No. So as you can see, it's the positions which eligible for sponsorship seems to narrow down. I don't know. I don't know from the long run it's good for American technology development or bad, because on one hand, even if even if some labels have no choice and go back to home country, but on the other hand, there's still a lot of people all over the world are attracted to work in the United States. So I don't know. I don't know such limitation for immigrants is from the long run is good or bad. But at least I can say, yeah, sponsorship, yeah, cannot provide. And it doesn't have a filter which said sponsorship provided, right? It doesn't have such filter. That's fine. Um, H1B 01, L1. Technical interview questions. Behavioral questions. This may be helpful if I get an interview opportunity, right? Yeah, some reference. And some summary. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much for the report for SpaceX. Thank you, everyone. Bye.